Okay, student, we are again at the chapter some applications of trigonometry and on question number 7. What is the question? From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Okay, what is the things given here? Here, let us say that this is the point A, which is on ground. AB is the ground. This is the ground. AB is the ground. Okay. And there is a point A on the ground. BC is the building whose height is how much? Building 20 meter high. The height of the building is 20 meter. Okay. Then here BC equal to 20 meter given, and let us say this CD is the height of the tower. This is tower and this is the bottom, top of the tower, and this is bottom of tower. Okay. Then when seen from here at the point A on ground, when seen the bottom of the tower, this angle of elevation is 45, and when seen from the point on ground A, the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is of 60 degree value. Okay. Then here angle BAC equal to what? Angle from the bottom, angle of elevation from the bottom of the tower, that is 45, and angle BAD, angle of the top, angle of elevation of the top of the tower is how much? This is 60 degree. Okay. Angle BAD is 60 degree. Okay. And CD, let us say CD equal to H, that is height of the tower. CD is equal to H, height of tower, that is equal to, that is to be determined. Okay. This is to be determined. Okay. Then what we are observing here? Here BC is the building and this is the CD is the tower. Therefore this will be perpendicular on the ground. Therefore triangle BAC, this one, angle BAC, a triangle BAC, this triangle BAC will be what? Right angle triangle, triangle BAD, this one BAD, this one will be again of right angle triangle. Okay. Then let us see in this triangle. In triangle what? BAC. We take in triangle BAC. Then for this triangle tan 45, if we take tan 45, this is for this angle, this BC will be P and this AB will be H. P by B. P is what? Perpendicular is what? That is BC. And this one is AB. That is, say this AB is equal to X. This AB ground is, then this BC is what? BC is 20 meter and AB is what? X. or we know that tan 45 equal to 1 and 20 and by 20 and x. Therefore, x equal to 20 meter. This distance from the foot of the building of this point is 20 meter. Okay. Now we have obtained this value x equal to what? That is 20 meter. Okay. Now let us take the case in triangle what? BAD. In triangle, right angle triangle BAD, tan 60 means for this angle, this one whole, this one BD is what? BD is P, this is P by B, and P is what? BD, this from here to here, and this one AD. Okay, and we know BD is what? That is BC plus CD. This is BC plus CD. Okay, and AB we have already determined, that was 20 meter. Okay, and tan 60 degree we know root 3, and BC is what? That is of 20 meter. Okay, and CD is what? H, and this is now 20. Okay, then cross multiply, we get 20 plus h equal to 20 root 3. Okay, or 20 plus h equal to 20 into root 3 means 1.732. That gives the value of 64 and 34.64, or h equal to 346.64 minus 20, that is 14.64. Unit is now meter, and this is what? This is the, it is the height of the transmission tower. Therefore, height of transmission tower equal to h equal to 114.64 meter, and this is your answer. We have to find out the value, find the height of the tower. Okay, then we have obtained the value of the height of the tower. This is your final answer. Okay.